Lavas, and hello! Welcome back to Kodomo Kids. My name is Courtney, and this month, the whole month of March, we're learning all about Lithuania. Come along with us! This week we're going to be learning what's called the Pancake dance of Lithuania, and it's a folk dance that's danced with a partner. So, if you have a partner, you can take inside hands with your partner and place your other hand either behind your back or maybe it's holding on to a long skirt that you might wear to dance in. All right, we start by taking 8 runs forward with our partner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and on 8 we're going to clap and then turn around and take inside hands, so switch hands with our partner, and then we run back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Guess what? We do it again. We run forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. So 4 times forward and back. Should we try that? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. Now, with our partner, we take inside hands again. We're facing the front. We're going to dance into our partner, and then away from our partner, away. And then we're going to turn across our partner. So we're going to change sides with our partner, turn and switch hands. So now we're on the opposite side. And then we repeat, into our partner, away from our partner, and spin across. 1, 2, 3. In and out. A 1, 2, 3. In and out. 1, 2, 3. And then the whole dance starts over again from the top, running forward. Should we try putting the whole thing together slowly from the top? Ready? A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance in and out and turn around other side, in and out. Turn around other side, in and out. Turn around one more time, in and out. Turn around and start again. Whew, how'd you do? Good, it's a very athletic dance, isn't it? There's a lot of jumping and running, so make sure with your partner that you're running at the same speed so you're not dragging your partner along. We want to be kind to our partners. Ready? Should we try the whole thing twice through from the top? Okay, are you ready? Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. We run. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance in and out and turn around, in and out. Turn around, other side, in and out. Turn around one more time, in and out. Get ready to start again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance in and out and turn around, other side, in and out. Turn around, other side, in and out. Turn around one more time, in and out. And turn around and say thank you, partner. Great job, everyone. Well done. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. Join us again next week for more from Kodomo Kids. Bye, everyone. Visto gero.